morning, good evening, good afternoon, traders and students all around the world. Happy Friday. This is Forex Trading Course 101, and this is Forex Trading Week, day number 4. Hello, King of Swing. Happy Friday to you. Hello, Regan, King, Miguel, hello, Time to Shine, hello. Remember everybody what we're trying to do. We're trying to build the 3 pillars. Pillar number 1, it's the strategy and or a system. Pillar number 2 is the risk management, and pillar number 3, which is the big one, is the psychology part. And talking about psychology, what do champion beginner traders say? Champion beginner traders say that I'm not going to live and die on a trade by trade basis. Namaste Patak, how are you? And of course this is a quote from Mark Douglas, and I have my own quote on the left if you want. When the market scares you, right? When the market scares the hell out of you, don't be afraid to do the right thing, right? So when you lose the first time, when you lose the second time, when you lose the third time, the fourth time, the fifth time, then we get scared, right? And we don't enter the market when we should to. Hello Kelvin, how are you? And everybody, we are in the intermediate module. We just ended the Fibonacci's. So if this is your first time with us and you don't quite understand why it's happening, how it's happening, where it's happening, please go back to the Dukas Copy YouTube webinar page and start to watch the basic module and learn, starting from lesson number 1, what is market structure. And in the end, today it's Friday, the last 5 minutes we're going to talk about your next level, you know. After the Forex Course 101, what are your options? I mean, as far as I know, you know. And remember, 90% of traders lose money in the Forex market worldwide, and the webinars are not trading and investment advice. And for homeworks or questions, you have my Gmail contact, my Skype contact, and my LinkedIn contact. Ciao Giuseppe, come stai? And everybody, please type in the chat. We are in the Forex Trading Week. Please type in the chat a currency pair that you want to check. What we are trying to do, we are trying to implement the Fibonacci's, right? The Forex Trading Week is for us to implement what we have learned in theory, right? So support, resistance, pivot points, candlestick formations, trend lines, trends, market structure, highs and lows, the market wave, multiple time frames, all of this we are trying to implement. Hello Akos, hello Annie. We're trying to implement and try to find some trades, right? That being said, everybody, as you can see, let's check our positions, right? So I was shorting, I'm still short on AUD CAD, so let's check AUD CAD first. And I entered long on AUD JPY. Okay, so let us check the 2-hour chart. 2-hour chart, everybody. So the market is against us, right? And our stop loss, we moved our stop loss in order to protect our profits, so we don't have any risk. And the last swing was low, high and low. So if the market breaks, if the market stop us out up in here, it's totally okay. Today is Friday and we are going to short the market according to the Fibonacci's, right? So AUD CAD, this is the first. Why do I have it in here? Let me check. Oh, it was the 4-hour chart. This is why. 4-hour chart. And those are the swings on the 4-hour chart. You know, and we have the original Fibonacci and we have the Time to Shine Euro CAD. Okay, yes sir. So the Fibonacci of the confirmation, the market, where is the low? So this would be the second. This is not valid anymore. This would be the second Fibonacci of the confirmation. Okay, and this is the swing. So if the market makes a higher high and stop us out, is totally okay, not a problem. Okay, so this is AUD CAD. Now just quickly let's check AUD JPY, and I'm long on the confirmation Fibonacci on the daily chart. Hola chefe, Zuelius, you are the chefe, you know, you are the boss. AUD JPY, right, those are the candles. We were talking about not to mix apples with bananas. Different patterns have different entries, stop loss and trade management. So here we are going to leave our stop loss like this. Okay, we are far away from our stop loss and we are going to let the market and the Fibonacci, we're going to let the market and the Fibonacci to do what it's supposed to do. And what is the market supposed to do? Is to wave, right? Okay, so our AUD CAD is in profit, our AUD JPY is in a loss. Remember everybody, those are floating, you know, anything can happen today, anything can happen tomorrow, but at least our AUD CAD trade is protected, we don't have any risk anymore. Next one, EuroCAD, time to shine. What is your idea, EuroCAD? What do you want to do? Do you want to short the market? Do you want to go long? And remember everybody, what is one of the most important things for you to see from the Forex trading week is that it's not that difficult to trade. It's not that difficult to enter the market. Hello 001, hello MHB. Kosnaini, I'm going to call you 001, okay? It's easier for me. Okay, so time to shine, EuroCAD, what are you trying to do? Monthly chart, we have the up Fibonacci, we have the contrarian, which is still valid, and we can draw also the Fibonacci of the confirmation, something like this, and change colors, original one, there you go. MHB, one more time my friend, what pattern are you trading? Waiting for daily candle to close bullish, then go long on 1 hour. What pattern, thank you for the answer, what pattern, time to shine, are you going to trade on the 1 hour? What pattern, everybody? And I don't have the Fibonacci's in here, but we can, let me see the 4-hour chart. Do I have the Fibonacci's? No. 1-hour chart. Okay, nothing, right? We need to go, start again. Starting from here, the market is going to stop us out. If we start in here, the market is going to stop us out. So, on the 1-hour chart, let's just quickly, let's draw our Fibonacci's. Fibonacci retracement. This is the first swing, green goes to green. MHB and time to shine, what pattern are you trading? Or what pattern do you want to trade? This is the Fibonacci, let's just, okay, the market is going to stop me out in here, so we are going to start again. And the market is going to stop me out in here, so let's start here again. 1-hour chart Fibonacci, and let me see. red, right? Red goes to red, so this is the second swing, and then this would be the third swing. Fibonacci must be a high. I'm going to check this one. Not sure if this is a high, so not a high, so it's going to be the next one. Okay, so this is the next swing of the Fibonacci. Confirmation Fibonacci on the 1 hour chart. Time to shine. Time to shine. Are you going to trade the confirmation Fibonacci on the 1 hour chart? And we are here, right? Okay, everybody, so this is the original Fibonacci on the EuroCAD 1 hour chart. MHB, boss, what pattern are you trading? Come on, man. This is AB, and this is our C. ABC. What else can we do, right? We can draw the contrarian on the 1 hour chart just to check. Man, if I was your boss, believe me, your life and my life would be much, much, much easier, you know. Contrarian Fibonacci, so sub A, sub B, sub C, sub D. If I'm not mistaken, this is going to be the second down Fibonacci. Okay, and there you go. So we have the A, B, C, we have the contrarian still in place. So let's put down some sub A. As you can see, everybody, you can do anything you want with the charts, right? You can go short, you can go long, you can short term, you can go long term, you can do anything you want. But you must be clear on the pattern that you are trading, because different patterns have different entry rules, different exit rules, different trade management rules. Boss, I am long from 142 trend line support and bullish candle. MHB, I'm telling you one more time, those are not patterns. Those are not patterns, MHB. The line of support, it's not a pattern. Trend line, it's not a pattern. MHB. Go back, MHB, on the Ducascopy webinar page and learn about patterns. And everybody else, okay, those are not patterns. And time to shine is saying it's close to confirmation de-extension. Everybody, you know, sometimes you are sending me emails, oh, you are rude, you know. I want to help you. I want to help you. I'm not rude. I want to help you. You know? And I'm telling you, entering the market, you know, at any place, it's easy. A 5-year-old child can click a mouse, MHB, and everybody else, MHB, you're not alone, don't worry. A 5-year-old can click a mouse and buy EuroCAD and 1.42. A child can do this, everybody. So the entries are the least important thing in trading. Oh, I don't believe you. It's great, you know. I love the non-believers. Find a professional trader and ask him or her, between entering the market and exit and trade management, what part is more or the least important? A professional trader is going to tell you that the entry is the least important. You know, oh, I bought EuroCAD at 142. A child can do this. You know, you must learn, everybody, that sometimes that you win, and you win without education, you are simply lucky. True or true, everybody? Am I talking nonsense or is this true? You know, I'm just going to buy EuroCAD, I'm going to short Euro CHF, and I'm going to do up and down, and all of my trades are winners, and I said, oh, you know, thank you FXPassion. You got lucky. On 5 trades? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. On 5 trades. Why do you think when you got into a proprietary trading firm or hedge fund or investment bank, you have a period that they want to test you? It's exactly because of this. You know, we're going to talk about incubation at the end of the webinar. You know, incubation, it's a period. You know, they want to see you and check upon you in 4 months and see the metrics of how you trade. Everybody, happy Friday, right? Happy Friday. This is one of those Fridays. Everybody, does this make sense to you? Patak says consolidation. Patak, on what time frame, what pattern? Time to Shine says we broke trend line and change in structure. What time frame? Time to change, time to shine. Miguel says I'm confused, Passion, sorry, but we have studied candlestick formation as a way to approach and trade the market. Would it be correct to consider candlestick formation as a pattern? Yes, sir. Major trend is just important. Yes, it is. Everybody. Yes, it is. But CMHB and everybody else, you are not clear on what are you trading as a pattern. Right? You need to be clear what you are trading. You know? So, talking about... No, that is true. Thank you, Kelvin. Now, talking about EuroCAD 1 hour chart, right? What are the 2 patterns that you can trade? You can trade, it's just an example, everybody. You can trade the original Fibonacci as a pattern. You know? What is a pattern, right? A lot of traders don't know what patterns are. Patterns are behaviors in the market with statistically proven probabilities, and because they have statistically proven probabilities, they have entry, exit, and trade management rules. Okay, so you can trade, you could be trading, you know, this one as a pattern, the Fibonacci, or it's just an example, you could be trading this short-term uptrend as a pattern, right? But those 2 trades, and you could be MHB, listen to this, and everybody else, but especially you MHB, we are friends, right? You could be entering at the same level. You know, Time to Shine wants to see a closed candle on the daily, you know, before he is going to enter background color like this and like this. Time to Shine wants to see a bullish candlestick formation on the daily, a bullish candle, you know, and He's going to enter at the next counter trendline break, maybe, you know. It's just an example for you to understand, everybody. So the trader that is trading the original Fibonacci as a pattern could be entering at the same level as this trader which is trading the short-term uptrend. Though you can enter at the same place, but those two different patterns are going to have a different stop loss. And this is why, as beginner traders, we lose money, hopefully on a demo account if you are smart. We lose money and we don't understand the game, you know. Like, oh, I'm going to enter here and I'm going to trade the short-term uptrend and I'm going to put my stop loss below the A. I just mixed apples with bananas. Those two patterns are different in nature, you know, and the question is always the same. At what level is the market going to show me that the pattern is not valid anymore? So the stop loss of the short-term trend is going to be down in here. Because if the market stops me out, means that it's not doing higher highs, higher lows anymore, but it's doing lower lows, lower highs. Time to shine on the 1 hour, not changing structure, changing short-term trend, sure. Okay, Miguel, also, everybody, are we clear and clean on what you should learn? This is your homework. Learn the rules of different patterns and use the Fibonacci's if you want, you know, to analyze the market, to gain a better insight, to manage your risk more efficiently, you know, or just reject it, you know, as we are telling you. Passion, I don't like Fibonacci's, I don't understand Fibonacci's, I hate Fibonacci's. It's cool, you know, don't use it, you know. Nobody's forcing you, everybody, to do anything, right? But if you are going to use it, you must learn and obey the rules and the concepts, right? You have friends, everybody, that are trying to be a trader, right? For 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever years, right? And they are not making it, right? Are they stupid? No, right? Of course not. Of course not. But some of them are simply not listening. You know, they are not open for conversation. And if they are not listening, everybody, you cannot teach them. True or true? One more time. Am I talking nonsense or is this true? Frankly speaking, I really hate Fibonacci. It's cool. It's totally understandable, everybody, okay? But we are teaching you all of this stuff in order to help you, you know, market structure, highs and lows, trends, trend lines, support, resistance, pivot points, candlestick formation, multiple time frames, Fibonacci, crowns, news trading. In a month or two, we're going to start talk about indicators. Just take what you like, take what you understand, and build your strategy and or system. And it's okay. Oh, I'm not going to use support resistance. It's okay. There is no right or wrong. Oh, I'm going to use candlestick formations. It's okay. I am not going to use trend lines. It's okay. There is no right or wrong. You can trade from anything that you understand, but you must obey the rules. Miguel is asking, can we mix patterns without any restrictions? Can't mix patterns, Miguel, otherwise you get called to the office. Oh, time to shine, you learned, congratulations. Miguel, absolutely not. Absolutely not. Miguel, I invited you 4 times to the Forex course, Now time to shine, you can tell Miguel what is the difference, you know? Absolutely not. If you're going to mix patterns, you will come to the office. Well, some of you like the office, right? Some of you like time to shine. Oh, I really like your office. Okay, no problem. Now back to the EuroCAD 1 hour chart. You can go long or you can go short, right? Now before doing this we need to check what? The confirmation time frame. What is the confirmation time frame? The daily. So let's remove the indicators, right? And oh, Patrick, this is what you were referring to, right? Let's compress the chart. So this is the EuroCAD daily chart, and we have the original Fibonacci's in here. I'm going to change transparency. There you go. This is the original Fibonacci, AB, and we need to drop the C somewhere in here. Edit label, capital C, ABC, and our projected, the extension is going to be up in here, so we have the ABCD, we have the, let me see if the market broke the contrarian, let me see, our contrarian is here, contrarian and something like this, and we are going to change transparency again for you to see. So the market almost broke the contrarian. I'm going to, so you have the original one on the left, and the blue and the pink, the violet lines, and the white one are the contrarian. So the market didn't break, right? Now, what else can we trade on EuroCAD? Well, we are going to draw the Fibonacci of the confirmation, which starts in here. This would be the first swing. We are going to change colors. This is going to be the first swing. And red goes to red, the second swing, blue goes to blue, if I'm not mistaken. This is going to be the third swing, and the last one, Fibonacci retracement, the last one is going to be here. And yes, Miguel, just give me a second. So, and what else can we draw? We can draw the Fibonacci, the contrarian Fibonacci on the Fibonacci of the confirmation, which is going to be, change colors, here. As you can see, everybody, now I'm going to delete this one and delete this one and delete this one. Everybody, do you understand that you can trade? I mean, of course, every pattern is going to have a different probability because of the market structure and everything else, but do you understand that you can trade the original Fibonacci? I mean, if you don't understand, this is what you need to learn. You can trade the original Fibonacci because it's still valid. You can trade the Fibonacci, the contrarian Fibonacci, because it's still valid. So you can go long on the original one as a pattern. You can short the market with the contrarian one, and this is also a pattern. You can go long with the Fibonacci of the confirmation, and this is a third different pattern, and you can also short the fourth different pattern, which is the contrarian Fibonacci on the Fibonacci of the confirmation. So on the daily chart you have 4 different patterns that you can trade if you want to, and each and every one of them have different entry and exit and trade management rules. You know, one more pattern. What else can you trade if you want? Well, you can trade structure, extension. Okay, you can trade structure as a pattern, you know, extension, retracement, and we are projecting the new extension if you want. Let's make it green. And you know, what else can you trade? Well, you can trade the you can trade the short-term uptrend as a pattern, you know, market making higher highs, higher lows. I cannot see because I have too much things going on, but you know, you can trade. Those are all different patterns on one chart, and you must learn, everybody, that you have on every chart and every time frame you have most likely 3 to 4 different patterns available for you to trade on every time frame, on every currency pair. So if you have 23 currency pairs and you have 6 time frames, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1, 2, 3, 4 hour chart, daily chart, monthly chart, you know, so look at this. We have 23 not exotic, you know, forget the Singapore dollar, the rupee, the Turkish lira. You have 23 non-exotic currency pair times 6 time frames on each and every one of them, and you have 4 patterns available at any time. So at any given point in time you have 552 potential entries, and you are calling me and you are telling me, boss, no signal. No signal, boss. Double top also, yes sir. Rounding bottom, yes sir. So everybody, if you are not making pips, or if you are not trading or anything, you know, there is 1 or 2 things that you need to improve. Number 1, maybe you don't have enough knowledge. So it's easy solvable because you can learn. Trading is a learnable skill. Or number 2, you learned mentally, you know, mentally you learned, but you are simply not listening. One more time, true or true, everybody? Am I talking nonsense? And Miguel is asking, but for example, you trade with Fibonacci, but you have candlestick formation and counter trend line break plus structure break. Let's not say mix, but potential. Miguel, candlestick formations, great question by the way, Miguel, great question. Candlestick formations and counter trend line break are entry strategies, not patterns. So as you posted the example, you would trade the Fibonacci as a pattern, and you would use candlestick formation and counter trendline break as an entry strategy. MHB says I only trade 2-hour time frame on every pair. Great. Great. I'm telling you, everybody, we are really trying to help you, but you must understand that if you don't learn these things like patterns, you are not going anywhere. Believe me. And don't be stubborn as I was. You know, it's going to take you years until one day you are going to wake up and you are going to say to yourself, I cannot do this anymore like this. I need to change something. You know, don't waste years. Right? Does this make sense to you? Okay, so this is EuroCAD. Anybody, any other pair? Clear now, great. Any other pair? Clear now, Miguel. Yes, sir. Great. Yes, sir. Okay, next I'm going to wait for your currency pairs. Time to shine. Did I answer to you what you were asking for? Which one? AUD USD, right? No, we did this one. Canada JPY. Let's check Canada JPY. Oh, talking about trading, right? Let's go back on EuroCAD. Let's go back on EuroCAD. Let's go back on EuroCAD, everybody. Let's go back on EuroCAD because I'm going to enter into a trade. EuroCAD 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart. Okay, I'm going to delete a few things. Delete, 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 delete. Okay. I'm going to enter the trade, everybody, just for you to see. It's not that difficult. So what I'm going to trade, I'm trading the short-term uptrend. Okay, buy market. I'm not going to do the risk management because I don't want to waste time. Okay, I'm simply going to buy the market in here. Done. Okay, I am trading the short-term uptrend. Okay, as you can see, now EuroCAD, I need to add a stop loss. The stop loss is going to be okay, where is our stop loss? This is our stop loss. Is going to be below the relevant low. So I'm in the market. I'm long on the short-term time frame. I am long on the short-term uptrend, and my stop loss is down in here. If the market stops me out, making a lower low, I'm totally okay with this. Right? I'm totally fine with this. I'm totally okay. Now, might take profit, of course. You know, I'm going to risk one. If I'm risking one, I need to make two. So, add a take profit. Let's, okay, submit. There you go. I'm going to arrange it just graphically, you know. So, just graphically, I entered here long. This is my stop loss. So, clone. This is one, so I need to move it up. You know, clone. You know, there you go. Submit, right? See, everybody, it's not that difficult. USD CHF, no sir, we are not going to check sideways currency pairs because the Fibonacci's don't work. No CHF pairs, everybody. We checked CHF, JPY, but we are not going to check Canada CHF, USD CHF, the sideways currency pairs, you know, because we learned that the Fibonacci's don't work in sideways movement. MHB, would you be so kind and choose another currency pair? Time to shine, thanks. I have chart set up the same. I have trend line on the daily going up also. So I entered long, right, everybody? How many, let's be honest here, how many of you are scared because, oh, but you are in a sideways channel, or oh, but you entered. Listen to me, everybody. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. This is your golden nugget today. How many of you are scared to do what I did because you are seeing the sideways channel on the daily and you just saw that I entered against the short-term downtrend on the daily chart? Let's be honest here. If you can understand this, this is huge for you. Talking about understanding how the trading game works. How many of you, let's be honest here, are scared to remember these webinars are not trading or investment advice. We are trying to teach you how to trade. I just entered long on the 1 hour chart. How many of you are scared of doing this? Because I entered against the higher time frame controls the smaller time frame concept. And it's true, right? And the market's making lower lows, lower highs on the daily. And it's true. And the market is potentially sideways. And it's true. How many of you are scared? Not as a person, you know, oh, I'm not scared, of course not. I'm not talking as a person, you know, but scared of entering the market. Make a losing trade. Not afraid, strategy giving 70 to 80% probability to win. Ha 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 ha. Until you don't learn the patterns, you know. Zuelius me, oh, thank you for being honest. You know. Thank you for being honest, Zuelius. I'm scared to do so. Thank you, Annie. Giuseppe, I'm afraid more about short downtrend on daily. Thank you, Giuseppe. Everybody, what's the time? Okay, 2 more minutes, then we're going to talk about your next level. You can learn, everybody, you can learn how to overcome these fears. You know? Passion, what if you lose? What's the answer? Everybody. For the one that is scared and somebody just posted on the other streaming platform, you are not going to see this on YouTube, and he's saying, Passion, what if you lose? What's the answer? We have an incubation folder on Skype, everybody, where traders are posting their trades, you know, and most of them are entering the market, and most of them are waiting for the trade to be profitable before they are posting it, you know. And it gets to this question, Passion, what if you lose? What's the answer? I entered EuroCAD long. Wow, congratulations, Miguel. Everybody, if you lose, what if you lose? You know, I am here, I have 3 trades, what if I lose on all of them? It's just 1%, right? I am not going to. Yes, you are, Akos. Everybody have losing trades. Yes, you are. Do you want to bet real money that you are going to have losing trades, everybody? I'm ready to bet real money. If you are a trader who says, oh, I'm not going to lose, never. I want to bet real money against your probabilities. I'm not going to leave. Oh yes, Akos, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Akos. I think that you are saying that you are not going to lose. I'm sorry, I interpret badly in the wrong manner, you know. Yes, everybody, what is the answer? Congratulations, Akos, and time to shine. What's the answer? Passion, what if you lose? I'm not going to live and die on a trade by trade basis. I'm sorry, Akos, I misjudged your answer, okay? I'm sorry. And yes, Akos and Giuseppe and time to shine, you are right, everybody. You know, I just entered 3 trades. If I lose all of them, so what? You know, this is what you must overcome, everybody, to get a chance in the markets. You know, and it's called understanding probabilities and understanding what an edge is. Yes, Akos, I'm sorry, I know, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, you know, I know, yes. I meant Mardagas, I know. I owe you a beer, my friend, I'm sorry, okay? Miguel says 1% is too much. I never trade more than 0.5%. Sure. Okay, everybody, so what is your next level, right? Next level number 1, if you want to accelerate your learning curve and not waste 1, 2, 3 years, ask for private lessons of Forex Course 101. Okay? If you want to shorten your learning curve, this is what you can do. And if you want to move on the next level, and if you want to trade how a professional trade, if you want to learn the mindset and the heart set of professional traders, ask for Forex Trader Course 202. You know, why is that? Because believe it or not, professional traders, they don't have the same issues that you have, everybody. Would you agree? Professional traders, they don't have problems with Fibonacci's and structure and the market wave and the stop loss, you know. I mean, they have their issues, but not the same as one-on-one traders. Would you agree? Or wouldn't you agree? Okay. Number 2, if you want to start your own trading business and attract investors, connect and we will talk about your needs and wishes and find the specific business model for your trading business. This is what Victor did, you know. Victor, FX campaigner from Ducascopy, he opened his own hedge fund in Peru. So congratulations, Victor. Number 3, if you are losing time and money and if you are not capitalizing on trading opportunities and or if you are losing or missing entries and setups, you might, just might, you know, you might consider trading with a professional charting software, next generation, and take advantage of technology. And no, it's not a platform, it's just a charting software, it's not a platform. JForex is both, right? It's a platform and a charting software. And number 4, if you want to trade for an asset management or a hedge fund, ask for incubation, where I will, me, FXPassion, I will personally allocate the funds for you to trade with. You will receive 50% of profit share on our money for the first quarter, and then you will receive up to 70% of profit share every month. No tricks, no hidden cost. Show us that you are a good trader and you can build your trading career with us. There is only one rule: maximum drawdown is 30%. And in the end, everybody, what is really the bottom line with 1, 2, 3, 4, remember this: if your way is not working, why don't you try ours? It doesn't matter what you choose. Why don't you try, Just try. You can always go back if you want, But if your way is not working for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, why don't you try ours? Does this make sense to you? Okay, everybody, happy Friday. We are done for the week. See you back on Tuesday, not Monday. See you back on Tuesday. Okay, we are going to have one more day with Forex trading week, and then we are going to move forward with the crown.